Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you love truffles, but maybe you're not on a truffle budget, then I want to show you a way to get that flavor without breaking the bank. So this is the San Francisco Salt Company, and this is black truffle salt. So this is a very delicious gourmet sea salt that has dried black truffle in it, and it really gives you a deep truffle flavor. So this is a great way to really add complexity to your dishes in a simple format by just adding a little bit of the salt. It has a really pronounced truffle flavor, and it's super delicious on things like French fries or even on popcorn. It just adds something really special. So if you're a fan of truffles, then you would definitely love the sea salt from the San Francisco Salt Company. It's a high quality sea salt and the flavor really is there, so a little goes a long way, and it's such a great product that I would definitely recommend to any foodies out there who want to add some truffle flavor, and that's my point of view.